Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are doing great. So, in our previous topic, we have discussed about the concept of ones and tens. So, today I'm going to tell you about regrouping of numbers while using the concept of ones and tens. Let's start. When we add, sometimes we may have more than 9 ones. We use regrouping in this case. We regroup 10 ones as 110. So, we can explain it through the examples. Let's take our first example like 2 tens and 15 ones. Here 15 is split into 10 ones and 5 ones. Like what we have written here, 2 tens plus 10 ones and 5 ones. Why we have written here 10 ones and 5 ones, we can better explain from this. We have a group of 10, like we have here group of 10 2 and 15 loose. But by regrouping 10 ones as 110, we can make the group of 10 3. First they were group of 10 2, and now the 15 loose, I have converted one more group of 10 like here. One group, two group and three group, and 5 left that are loose, means at ones place. Like we have written 2 tens and 110 more. Why we have written here 110? Because we can write 10 ones as 110 and 5 ones. So we have here 2 tens and I add one more 10, it become 3 tens and 5 ones. So we have written 2 tens 15 ones as 3 10 and 5 ones, because when we have 15 here, 5 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. So simple. The digit which we have at tens place, we can shift that tens place digit to the place of tens only. So here we have 2 tens, and when I shift this 1 from the tens place to the 2 only, it become 3 tens and 5 is remain only at the ones place. So let's explain from the second example. Here 3 tens and 11 ones. We can again split that 11 into 10 ones and 1 1. So we have written here like 3 tens and 1 10 plus 1. Better we can explain it from here. First we have group of 10 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 11 loose. Then I will convert this another group of 10 into group, and one will remain loose like this. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group and 4 group, and one will remain only at the ones place, because 10 ones can be written as 110. That's why I have written here 3 tens and 110 more plus 1 1. 310 plus 110. That will become 4 tens and 1 1. So again 3 tens plus 11 ones, we have converted that 11 ones into 4 tens plus 1 1. Let's do its activity. 3 tens and 14 ones. So again here we have two digits, that means more than 9. So when we have more than 9, we split it into 2 digits, that is 10 ones and 4 ones, and that 10 ones is shifted to the 3 tens, means that will become 4 tens and 4 ones, like this. Here it is 7 tens and 18 ones. This 1 will shift it to the 7 and it will become 8 tens. And here we will left only with 8 ones, like this, 8 tens and 8 ones. Again we have 8 tens and 16 ones. So again we have here 2 digits. So again we can shift that one which is at tens place. We will shift it to the 8 tens. It will become 9 tens, and here we are left with only 6 ones. At the last, 6 tens and 19 ones. Again the digit that is at its tens place. We will shift to the 6 tens, and that 6 tens will become 7 tens. And here at the ones place we are left here only with the 9 ones. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.